First and foremost, CPR is not done to someone who's breathing. How to recognize cardiac arrest in someone is if the person is not breathing. So namuita, haitiki, I try and get some pain, I feel pain, alafu I know they are unconscious, I try calling for help, I notice they're not breathing. Just go to the center of the chest. Hati yako haiko left, najua mnasema hati iko hapa. Hati yako iko hapa katikati. Ni vile tu haijakaa hivi, imekaa hivi. So whenever we need to assume the function of the heart, we'll do it at the center. How do you locate? Armpits directly straight. This is the center of the heart. Place the heel of your heart that is strong like this. Interlock. Then press. Okay? You're supposed to go 2 inches deep. Ndio uko umepita the skin, umepita this hard bone, umefikia the chest, the heart. Then you can't do CPR hivi, lazima ukue over the surgery. Na si hivi umekalia mgonjwa. Okay? So you do it on the side. 72 is average. Ile low is 60, ile high is 100. So you can't be doing either lower than that. So you have to go higher. So you do at 100 to 120 chest compressions per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 100. It doesn't mean if you get to 100, you stop. If you stop at 100, then we end. So you have to continue, but we're just counting so much to do it within a minute to operate. Yeah. That's all. Anytime your heart stops pumping, ukumbuke tu, we have a very selfish. Okay. The brain cannot stay for more than 4 minutes no blood, so it starts to die, and within 10 minutes the entire brain will die.